Greetings, folks, from the 2025 Napa Lighted Art Festival. Once again in downtown Napa in January. And we're going to go take a walk and see what the exhibits are this year. I'm not sure what this is, some sort of metal robot? Okay, this is in front of the Oxbow. This is First Street, and we're going to go over the First Street Bridge. And that's a look at the downtown area. And there are some lights down there that I'm not used to seeing. However, there's no exhibit on the bridge this year. Okay, that's different than last year. Walking over the First Street Bridge. It's about 6 o'clock at night, so that's when things start coming to life with this Lighted Art Festival. Okay. Oh, I see one across the street. Okay, we'll go over there next. Oh, that one looks like a campfire. This is at the Opera House Plaza. Looks like real logs in front of it. That's pretty cool. Okay, they change color. Interesting. This is down in the Central Square near Kohl's in downtown. Here's the next one. These are projected images. Very interesting. Let's go to the next one. I think this next one will be the highlight for me. This is a projected image or images on the side of the Presbyterian Church on 3rd Street. Oh yeah, this is looking good already. That was definitely my favorite. We're going to go downtown to the middle of downtown now for some more. Okay, this one is something you can draw on and it becomes illuminated. Audience participation. This frog is not part of the show, but he's cute. Here's one. A flower. In front of every exhibit, there is an explanation of what we're looking at. For example, this one's called the Dahlia, and the artist's name is there, and then a little explanation about it. And we'll go down to Veterans Park and see that one. Oh boy, gridlock. Glad I'm not driving. Okay, Veterans Park. These are oversized lamps, illuminated lamps. And okay, something for everyone. Okay, we're down by the riverfront. There should be a couple down here. Yeah, I see one already. Lots of flashing. You can see how some of the restaurants are inviting customers in with their own lights and heaters. Okay, here's the next one. Changing colors. And here are some more flowers. Pansies. Those are lit up. A little bit further down the river walk, you can see out here is the Napa River. And I think that's it for the river walk. Okay, I'm back here across the street from Copia, where I started. And this light installation is against a fence here in the Napa yard. I see one more flower down here. We'll go catch that one. And yes, I did miss a couple of these exhibits. I realized I had passed them and then I didn't want to turn back. So I think you saw most of them, but to be honest, there were fewer exhibits this year than in years past. And again, to be honest, this was not one of my favorite years. So it is what it is. It's always fun to walk around downtown at night for something different. But I'm going to say thanks for coming along with me. And maybe next year will be a little more exciting at the Lighted Art Festival. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.